What's going on, everybody? This is Chris from ButtonMakerPro.com, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to handle our brand new photo letter tool. Once you land on your studio, which is here, on the left-hand column you will see that photo letter has been added. You can scroll down a bit, you can put in whatever word we have here. Let's put money in here for kicks. You can go ahead and click the starter if you do not have your own images or the community doesn't have any collection yet, because we don't have any. It's brand new. And then the photo letter size, let's go with 2x2 square. It updates the live preview over here on the side. So we're looking for the word money. We hit generate photo letters and we can see a random selection from the 4 options that are in the starter set. If you don't like one of the ones you see, you can change it through the 4 that are available. And once you get 4 that you rather enjoy, you just hit add all to sheet. All of them show up over here. And since I have mine set up for a tight print layout, that's why they're so close. You can spread them out if you would rather have that. And if you needed to add something to it, you can do that here, and you can move it back to the sheet, clear the preview. Really simple. You can even clear the entire sheet, and I can show you again. Let's go with button. And if you just search the word button on this starter set, you can have all of your letters here. Let's change T so it's 2 different T's. And again, add all to sheet, and there it is, B-U-T-T-O-N. Anyways, if y'all have any questions or anything, feel free to send us an email, comment on this YouTube video or this post, and be sure to check out ButtonMakerPro.com for all the latest features and easy button making tools. Y'all have a good one.